Shout out to all my people in New York, the state of New York. I have more people on my channel from New York than anything. I mean, I appreciate every one of my subscribers from all over the country, but New York, you guys are off the hook, bro. Hey, stick around to the end of the video because I got some blabbering to do at the end of the video. But we're gonna go back to that term for a minute. And the other thing is, it's kind of my. There's not a lot I can do about it, but there's a whole lot you guys can do about it. My birthday is Sunday, the 26th. I'll be 52. We just hit 903 subscribers. Just as a personal goal, I think it would be awesome if you guys could spread the word about the channel. If we could hit 1,000 by Sunday, that would mean a lot to me. I think it'd be super cool, man. If I could hit it 1,000. I don't get money. This ain't about money, man, because I don't make any money on YouTube. It'd be a while before I make any money. But anyways, I'm not about money. It's about spreading the word. But appreciate you guys from New York, man. We'll see you in a minute. So we're back here on this turn, the one I was just painting. Carpet guys did their job. Tore my stuff up, bent the rack out, got the carpet in. Looks all right. New flooring. Of course, they ran it this way. Look at that big gap on that. Oh my gosh, got about a ½ inch. Look at that. That's a ½ inch gap behind there. Oh my gosh, look at this, dude. That's almost a ½ inch gap on that. It's all cut. What the frick, dude? Wow. That pump's getting worse. We're gonna have to fix that today. But whatever. I have to go get a new toilet, new blinds, a couple of things. I'll have to fix that. Good times, man. So no, not only did, look at that. That's every bit of almost 3/4 of an inch. Look at that. They didn't even tuck the carpet down. Big gaps in there. Big gap right there. Gaps don't look bad on the camera, but they're bad. Real bad. I have to call the boss to see what they're doing about that flooring. He may be sending them out to redo it. Because they ain't putting no co-base down on that. They ain't gonna cover that up. Let's call the boss and go get some parts. Got to put new lights in the kitchen too, so I had to go across the street here, you know, because the old man who's on the oxygen overflowed his toilet last night. Anyways, so I go in there and yeah, his toilet's just slightly jacked, so I went over and got the toilet auger and come back over and, you know, augered out his toilet. Man, there's shit water all over the freaking floor. You know, his rugs for the bathroom were in the bathtub. That old man had the freaking cojones to ask me to carry them outside and put them on the handrail outside. I told him, I said, man, I'm not taking them outside. Take them down to the laundromat and put them in the laundry. Of course, he's on oxygen. I'm like, man, that's poo water, dude. I'm not putting that out there on the rail. So he got pissy with me. So then on my way out the door, after I got his toilet working right, he said, we all good in there? I said, oh yeah, you're flushing good. He said, did you mop that up? I said, what? He said, you mopped that floor up? I said, no, that's not my job. I'm not mopping up your poo water. Man, the cojones, bro. And then, before that, he was peeved about the old man downstairs yelling at him about the water from his bathroom getting in his freaking apartment. And he was mad because that guy was mad. Talking about some ingrate attitudes around here, man. That's whatever. You gotta love people, man. People are just, they're off the hook nowadays. I think we'll get the pumpkin out. So I came back here on this after the installers did the carpet or redid the flooring. I'll give it. They didn't do that bad job, man. They relayed the floor, so now it's going this way and back out. So now the flooring's going this way, nice and tight. No big furry gaps. At least they laid down some caulk. That's a nice straight line on the tub, nice and clean. We are. Oh, hey, he put my door back on. Read that in there. I'm impressed because they left the other door off. But go bang, bro. You got to stand your ground on that stuff, man. Got to scream shout. Plus, they put the carpet down on the edge of the. Anyways, let's get the install the toilet. Another one, my toilet in the box. I'll go ahead and get this installed. Reinstall the base for the sink. I got a couple blinds. A couple blinds to install and a couple lights. That's it. I'm out of here. So we got it all back together. No big deal. You know, it's just a freaking toilet, man. Putting the sink back on. Got the blinds up. I'll redo that. Got two lights in here and one in the closet. I'm done for the day, bro. I come back tomorrow, tie it all up, everything out, call it a good day. So to kind of get it started a little bit, as far as working for yourself though, I'm not quitting my job, number one. That'd be stupid. This is just side work, man. That's all it is. But you want to kind of start it out as this is how you're going to get started. So you start out small scale and then you can work up from there. Me, I don't plan on going to be no contractor again, but I want to do some side work, you know, just so I got some extra money. Plus, I can show you guys how to get this started. So, first of all, let's focus on, to start with, focus on your business cards. Okay, so this only took me, I don't know, probably 5 minutes to do this. Of course, I already had this in my business card logo. If you have Outlook or Microsoft 360, that's what this is. It on your computer. If it has all of your Note and Excel and Word and all this other stuff. So if you have this, you can go to PowerPoint. It's the orangey looking icon, and that's what this is. This is PowerPoint, and you can get started building a business card. It's really, really, really simple. They give you templates to start with, and this was already the logo that I just purchased. Cost me $300 for them to hand or to make my design, but I also got 5 different setups. This is the gray one. I like the gray one. It looks good. It looks good for a business card, but I also got like a white background and a red stripe across it. They do all kinds of cool stuff. They'll actually do business cards for you if you want to, but this is just a good starting point. And I only took 5 minutes, threw it up there real quick. You can even go like over here to the side here. There's different ways, you know, to have a layout. They even have it with different backgrounds. Of course, I didn't want to do that, but you can see if you click on it, then it just changes the whole layout. Now, this is what your business card would look at. Go with the black one. See, it just lays it out differently, but this is the one I'm going to go with. I really like the layout. I like the shadow effect back here. And like I said, you can go through the same company I went through, and they make your business, or they make your logo. So that's what my business card is for. If you keep messing with it, it'll just keep changing. You know, you can edit, you can redesign it however you want to do it. I mean, you just take your time with it, man, when it comes to business cards. You can go online. I mean, when I did this years ago, they didn't have all this stuff. But now you can actually go online and just go to, there's half a dozen different companies you can go through to make your business cards. They have the template and everything. They'll print you out 500 cents to you. You know, but anyway, so This is to get it started. It's just the layout. Now, if you do it at home, like this whole setup, when I go to print this, if I hit click on print, it will it will show it the card layout where you go to Office Max or whatever. Usually the big paper places, stuff that has office supplies. If you go there, they have the business cards already set. They're blank, and you just pick the style, the color of the card, or the thickness of the card that you want, and then you put that in your printer just like your paper. And when you print it out, there's your paper, there's your cards. Now this is old school. Back in my day, it cost more to have them made than what it did to go print them yourself. So, but this is a good way to get you started if you want to go this route. I would suggest that if you don't have Office 360, if you don't have that, then go online and you make your business cards there. Take your time when it comes to business cards. Take your time on how you want it to lay out. You want it to be real quick, easy read, real quick. You don't need to put a bunch of information on there. I had one set of cards years ago that just had my name and phone number on it. That's it. And it was just it's just a way for people to get a hold of you. That's all it is. It's just a calling card. Just a little side note. You know, I don't get sponsored by this company. We work hard. It's working. We working. Of course, it's backwards in this picture, but it's we working. That's the brand. But I just got me a new shirt in. Ain't that cool? Anyways, it's the American flag on it. But what this one says is freedom. Freedom comes with a price. Work hard or work. So I just thought it was cool, man. These guys, they have a bar on their website that you can help out the injured vets and stuff like that. So I just want to give a shout out, man. They're freaking awesome company. And they're the other thing, the reason why I love wearing their shirts is one, because they sponsor injured veterans and stuff like that. But they also, the material, man, it doesn't shrink. It's really good, soft material. It wears really good. Their hoodies are freaking awesome, man. Real thick. Anyways, just a little shout out to We Work Hard brand. I don't get sponsored by these people either. Brute work boots. I do not get sponsored by these people either. But I just got my new boots in. I was real leery about buying another pair. But these boots, man. Now look, dude. I'm a cat boy. I'm a caterpillar man all day long, bro. But these boots, they are so lightweight, man. I love them to death. They have that new, it's not really steel toe. It's some weird crap. But anyways, I just got these, man. Wear me out. Wear me out. Halfway through the day, man, I gotta take my shoes off. So I had these boots, but I've only had, these are boots. I wore these for, oh my gosh, probably about 9 months, something like that. But they're the freaking softest, most comfortable freaking boot I ever wore in my life. And like I said, man, I'm not sponsored by them. But this is what happened after about 9 months. It completely separated. The boot itself separated from there. But it did give me a new pair. So I'm hoping maybe the glue on these boots will wear a little bit better. But anyways, like I said, I'm not getting sponsored by them. I just thought I'd tell you about those, man. They're pretty good boots. Let's go do something, bro. Get dirty, man. Let's get working, bro.